In today's video, we are going to cover how to handle employee expense reimbursements in Gusto. Start by signing in to your Gusto account. Once you are on the main dashboard, go to the People section. This is where you can access individual employee profiles and make updates tied to payroll, pay details, and other employee settings. If your account takes a moment to load, wait until the full menu appears before moving forward so you are working from the correct page. From the People area, select the employee you want to reimburse. This opens that employee's profile where you can view their payroll-related information and make changes that apply specifically to them. Make sure you choose the correct employee before continuing, especially if you manage reimbursements for more than one person. Inside the employee profile, open the Pay tab. This section contains the settings related to how the employee is paid, along with adjustments that can be added to upcoming payrolls. After the Pay tab opens, scroll down until you reach the Recurring Reimbursements section. This is the area used for reimbursements that should be added on an ongoing basis rather than entered one time. When you find recurring reimbursements, click Add. A form will open so you can enter the reimbursement details. In this form, fill in the reimbursement type, the amount, and any other required information shown on the screen. The exact fields may vary depending on your setup, so review each one carefully and complete only the information requested. If a field is required, make sure it is filled in before you try to save. As you enter the details, confirm that the reimbursement type matches the expense you are tracking and that the amount is correct. This helps make sure the reimbursement is processed properly in payroll and appears the way you expect in the employee's pay information. If there are additional details requested in the form, enter them as needed based on your reimbursement process. Once everything has been entered, review the reimbursement details one more time. Check the type, amount, and any supporting information you added. When the information looks correct, click Save to add the recurring reimbursement to the employee's profile. Saving this entry stores it for future payroll use, so it is worth taking a brief moment to confirm the details before you finalize it. After the reimbursement is saved, Gusto will include it in the employee's future payrolls based on your payroll schedule. That means the recurring reimbursement will continue to be applied according to the schedule already set up in your account, without needing to enter it again each time payroll runs. The employee's recurring reimbursement is now saved in Gusto and set to appear in future payrolls.